guys, I'm Naomi and today I'll be teaching you guys how to create a memory line. In this project, you'll need scissors, hot glue or pins, string, and twine. Your memory line can contain whatever you like. I'm going to have a pin, pictures, and some memorabilia. Cut the twine to your desired length, and then tie a knot at the end of the twine. Leave around 2 inches of space between the knot and the end of the twine. Do the same on the other side. If you have pictures, this is how you would add them. Cut your string to about 1 to 2 inches long. Flip the photo around so the back side faces you. Create a loop with the string. Use a piece of tape to secure the loop onto the back of the photo. Try to tape the loop as close to the center as possible. Do this with all of your photos. If you have small items or memorabilia, you can use a mesh pouch. In mine, I have a Spangler dollar, a bracelet, and a starfish. Now it's time to assemble your memory line. If you have a pin, you can just pin it on the twine. Level your twine to make sure it's balanced. And just thread all of your pictures through the twine. If you have memorabilia, thread the strings of the pouch through the twine. Double knot it to secure it. Loop the ends of the strings around the knot. Tie it in the back to hide the knot. Adjust if you need to. I noticed one end of my twine was longer than the other, so I'm just going to readjust it. I'm just trying to match the other side's length. For my memory line, I'm going to glue it to the back of a canvas, but you guys can hang it up any way you like. If you have push pins, you can even pin it against the wall. Personally, I would recommend putting glue on the canvas first, then putting the knot on top of the glue, then putting another layer on top of the knot. Give it a little tug to make sure it's secure. Then cut off the extra twine. After you hang up the canvas, readjust the items and make sure the items balance out. Here is the finished product.